Well, we're out in the middle of nowhere on this job. So today's project, Tyler Media, one of our biggest radio broadcasting companies here in Oklahoma. A couple years ago, an airplane flew right into one of their towers, and a little crop dusting plane, I guess. So they're replacing it. So they got all their new anchors set. There's, I don't know if you can see it, but it looks like there's 1, 2, 3. They're everywhere. There's a bunch of anchors, and they had all the dirt's kind of piled up. It's not a difficult job. They just want to get all the dirt spread out before the growing season gets in. The farmers are concerned about you know, their cattle and stuff, so just make everything nice and smooth. So not much to it, so let's get to it. Yep, I'm done with this job. Got all this dirt spread out. There's 9 total. It's a beautiful day. Time to pack up and go home.